Pangolin versus porcupine, nature's armored defenders. Welcome to Animal Kingdom Showdown. In this episode, we're comparing two of nature's most fascinating and well-protected animals, the pangolin and the porcupine. While these creatures may look vastly different, both are known for their unique defenses and extraordinary adaptations that help them survive in the wild. From their physical armor to their survival tactics, let's dive deep into the intriguing worlds of the pangolin and the porcupine. Physical characteristics. Pangolins, also known as scaly anteaters, are covered head to tail and hard, overlapping keratin scales that act like natural armor. Weighing between 4 to 72 pounds and measuring up to 4 feet long, pangolins have a sleek, elongated body and a prehensile tail that helps them climb trees. Their scales are their most notable feature, providing unparalleled protection in the animal kingdom. Porcupines, on the other hand, are covered in sharp quills made of keratin, which are modified hairs. These quills can number up to 30.000 on a single porcupine and are designed to detach easily when predators get too close. Porcupines range in size from 2 to 40 pounds, with species like the North American porcupine growing up to 3 feet long, including their tail. Comparison. While the pangolin's armor is designed for complete defense, the porcupine's quills offer both protection and a painful deterrent for attackers. Both animals rely heavily on their unique physical adaptations for survival. Defensive strategies. Pangolin. When threatened, the pangolin curls into a tight ball, leaving only its hard scales exposed. This defense is so effective that even powerful predators like lions struggle to break through. Pangolins also emit a foul-smelling liquid from glands near their tails to deter predators further. Porcupines don't curl up, but instead rely on their quills to ward off attackers. When threatened, they raise their quills to appear larger and more intimidating. If the predator persists, porcupines can lash out with their tails, embedding sharp quills into their enemy. Contrary to myth, they can't shoot their quills, but the quills are barbed, making them difficult to remove. Comparison. Pangolins excel in passive defense, relying on their armor and odor to survive. Porcupines, however, are more aggressive, actively using their quills to fight back against threats. Diet and feeding habits. Pangolins are insectivores, feeding almost exclusively on ants and termites. They use their long, sticky tongues, sometimes reaching up to 16 inches, to scoop up insects from nests. With no teeth, pangolins rely on small stones in their stomachs to grind their food. Porcupines are herbivores, with diets consisting of bark, leaves, fruits, and roots. Their strong teeth continuously grow, enabling them to chew through tough vegetation. Some species have a particular fondness for salt and can often be found gnawing on bones or salty objects to fulfill this craving. Comparison. The pangolin is a specialized insectivore, while the porcupine has a more varied, plant-based diet. Their feeding habits reflect their adaptations to different ecosystems. Habitat and distribution. Pangolins are found in tropical regions of Africa and Asia, inhabiting forests, savannas, and grasslands. Depending on the species, they may be arboreal, tree-dwelling, or terrestrial, ground-dwelling. They prefer areas rich in ants and termites. Their primary food source. Porcupines are more widespread, with species found in North and South America, Europe, Asia, and Africa. They inhabit a variety of environments, including forests, deserts, and grasslands. Some species, like the African crested porcupine, live in burrows, while others, like the North American porcupine, are excellent climbers. Comparison. While pangolins are limited to specific tropical regions, porcupines thrive across a broader range of habitats, showcasing their adaptability. Social behavior. Pangolins are solitary and nocturnal creatures, spending most of their time alone. They communicate primarily through scent marking and have limited interaction with others. Except during mating season, Porcupines are generally solitary, but can be found in small family groups or pairs. Depending on the species, they use a variety of vocalizations, quill rattling, and scent marking to communicate. Comparison. Both animals are primarily solitary, but porcupines show slightly more social tendencies than pangolins. Predators and threats. Pangolin. Pangolins face threats from natural predators like big cats and hyenas, but their greatest danger is from humans. Pangolins are the most trafficked mammals in the world due to the demand for their scales and meat in traditional medicine and as a delicacy. Porcupine. Porcupines are preyed upon by large carnivores like lions, leopards, and wolves. However, their quills provide a significant defense, and most predators avoid them. Human activity, such as hunting and habitat destruction, also poses a threat. Comparison. While both animals face natural predators, pangolins are far more vulnerable due to illegal wildlife trafficking. Strengths and weaknesses. Pangolin strengths. Nearly impenetrable armor. Long sticky tongue for efficient insect hunting. Ability to deter predators with odor. Pangolin weaknesses. Highly specialized diet makes them dependent on specific food sources. Vulnerable to habitat loss and human exploitation. Porcupine strengths. Thousands of sharp quills for active defense. Highly adaptable diet and habitat preferences. Social flexibility for survival. Porcupine weaknesses. Vulnerable to fast predators before quills are deployed. Susceptible to road accidents and habitat destruction. Role in ecosystems. Pangolin. Pangolins play a crucial role in controlling insect populations, particularly ants and termites, preventing these insects from damaging crops and forests. Porcupine. Porcupines contribute to their ecosystems by spreading seeds through their diet and aerating the soil while digging for food. However, they can sometimes cause damage to crops and trees. Comparison. Both animals are vital to their ecosystems, but pangolins help regulate insect populations, while porcupines assist in seed dispersal and soil health. Conclusion. Nature's unique defenders. The pangolin and the porcupine are both extraordinary creatures, perfectly adapted to their environments. The pangolin's sleek armor and specialized diet highlight its evolutionary precision, while the porcupine's sharp quills and adaptability showcase its versatility. Which one do you think is the ultimate survivor? The armored pangolin or the spiky porcupine? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more incredible wildlife comparisons on Animal Kingdom Showdown.